Here it is, OnePlus 8 Karbon bumper case. Let's do the unboxing. Before I begin, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. So here we go. Here's that OnePlus 8 Karbon bumper case. I got my OnePlus 8 over here in that really nice Interstellar glow color. I really love this color. This one is the Karbon series. I've had the OnePlus 8 bumper case for the Sandstone series. If you haven't watched the video, I'll leave it up there, as well as in the description down below for you to take a look at and watch afterwards. But let's take a look at this and see how it is. And we're just going to take it out. So here we go. Here is the OnePlus 8 Karbon case. A little bit different than the Sandstone case. Here is the Karbon. Here is the Sandstone. So there is no OnePlus logo on the Sandstone case. It just says designed by OnePlus. And then we have the EVU tech over here. But let me just put this over here. Let's take a quick glance at this before we install it. In terms of the case itself, really nice. It has the carbon fiber material on the inside as well. Let's apply it to the OnePlus 8. So I always come in from my left hand side over here. Okay, and then we're gonna install from the top and then the bottoms. So here we go, the OnePlus 8 in that Karbon series case. A little bit different than the Sandstone because this one is not as grainy as the one on the left, but it's a little bit different. It's a little bit more smoother, and I do like this whole design up here. Maybe they can improve that on this Sandstone case in the future. I would love to see like a white OnePlus logo up here. But in terms of the case, pretty nice. Similar design to the Sandstone series. Let me zoom in. So you can see that it does cover the camera area. Very similar to the Sandstone case. I kind of feel like the Sandstone series is a little bit more sturdier. It could just be the design by itself. So a little bit different on the left hand side. Just a plain and simple smooth black design. We got the power button, your traditional vibrate and ring buttons up here. Same thing up here for the network. And then on the left we have our volume rockers. At the bottom, USB-C port, as well as our speaker grill over here. And then as always, here is the OnePlus 8. And in this Karbon series, in comparison to the Sandstone, I mean, I just have a love for the Sandstone series. Let's talk about protection for a minute. These cases are both going to protect your devices. If you are thinking about, which one's going to be better, they're both the same. But I would lean towards the Sandstone series only because of the grippy material on the back as well as on the sides. This one is all smooth, so this one has a higher chance of it slipping from your hand after sometimes when you take it out of the pocket, or if you've been gaming for a long time. So there's a very high chance that this might fall compared to this one. But the Karbon series does look a little bit better compared to the Sandstone series. However, Sandstone is for $24.95 US. Karbon case is for $39.95 US. No matter which case you choose, I'll leave my personalized referral link down below for you to take a look at and use when you are trying to make a purchase for these devices, so that way you save a little bit of money. I'm still leaning on the Sandstone case, just not in this color. I would go for the black color. This color does not go well with that Interstellar glow. I think the black one's going to do really well. But here is a quick unboxing and application of the Karbon case. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about this series as well as the Sandstone case, and which one would you prefer applying to your OnePlus device. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe down below. Helps the channel grow, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.